Alvin Guitar Academy, and this is another lesson for you guys. And today we will talk about practicing scales, practicing the boring scales, like what we did there. So let's
make it more juicy and fruity.
Yes, more interesting, not dry, because sometimes when you practice, you get like tired and not interesting anymore.
Sometimes sleeping, like
yes,
I do.
it's all about having fun with it. And one thing that you can do or change is use a drum beat.
Yeah,
we were using like a metronome earlier. You can, that's a metronome.
Use the drum beat, the metronome instead.
You can choose from this one, and I'll just go with maybe rock and roll, like this. And then the next thing that you can do is try to choose a rhythmic pattern.
Okay.
And then map out the scale.
What does it mean actually?
So let's say that the scale is the A blues on the first position. And you just have to map it out or play all the notes there, not repeating it.
Yes.
With the rhythmic pattern. Just give me a rhythmic pattern.
So it's like an 8 note, for example.
Okay, so like 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then you don't repeat a note. Then you start here where you finish. Then 3 and.
So not repeat a note. Start by the next one.
And it's really like mapping out the scale that you're. And then play it with this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 again. And it becomes, musical and more interesting.
Yeah,
and
it's more fun. Definitely.
Yes, and then you can go ascending and descending. Let's try another one. Let's say 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pam. And then now, let's change it. We started on the 6th string there. And then let's go to the 5th string. And then let's go to the 4th string, mapping out the blues scale. And then 3rd string. Try that. That's the 6th string then. 5th string. Then you start on the 4th string. And then start on the 3rd string. Yep. Yes. So you just have to know. And it's good because you're practicing the scale and at the same time practicing your rhythm. And later on it will be your lick or your line. When you play.
I like it because really you are combining the knowledge of the tones within the scale plus the rhythm.
Yes, all the essentials.
Especially for myself.
Yeah. So if you have the rhythm, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, and 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string. Yeah. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Then you can jam after.
Sorry.
So that's one way of doing it so that it's not boring. And the second one, what you can do is try to create your own lick or licks. Like this one, we can use the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but maybe add something different. Maybe that one, and then go to the 5th string. And just repeat and repeat it until it gets, and with let's say drum beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and then 5th string. Now make it music, okay? 1, 2, 3, and. Yeah. something like that.
And what about the rhythms within the
Yeah, that's the next one. You can mix the rhythm. Let's
So
say,
you show us next time.
yeah, you have this.
So it's definitely more advanced.
Yeah, it's
But
mixing
it's possible.
out like triplet, mixing
Yeah,
out
yeah,
the eight
exactly,
note. Yeah,
exactly.
but yeah, this is the first step. So that it's all about making it more fun, practicing, especially the scales. And with this approach, you can actually use it for improvisation and making your own music.
Mhm.
Okay, so I hope
Great.
you get something out of this lesson. Give us a thumbs up if it's okay, and follow us on Facebook.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the channel.
And
So,
now you see practice the scale is big fun.
yes.
Not just dry stuff.
True. Okay, so this is Alvin and Dan saying ciao, rock on, have
Ciao.
a great day,
Take
guys.
care, guys. Thank you.
Later.